subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Sony has launched its new 5G-enabled phone called Xperia 5 Mark II in selected regions including the US and the UK. Talking about the specifications, the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has a large 21:9 aspect ratio with HDR support. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on both the sides, and it comes with IP65 or 68 certification for dust and water resistance. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid SIM card slot. As per the camera, the Xperia 5 Mark II supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 12MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus another 12MP telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture and another 12MP ultra wide angle lens with 124° field of view. The AAA cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos with up to 120 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 21 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with high-res sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158 by 68 by 8mm and it weighs around 163 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark II has been priced in the European market at €899 and it will be available in black, blue, grey and pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Sony Xperia 5 Mark II smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.